Hey guys, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I created these short almond shaped Gel X red nails. I've been wanting to do Gel X nails on my channel for a while, so I'm really excited to show you guys this nail set and how I did it. So if you'd like to see that, please stay tuned. So as always, I start off with my bare nails already prepped off camera, and now I'm going to be gluing down some nail tips onto my nails. And this time I'm going to be using some full cover tips that I got from Amazon. These are considered soft gel tips, so I've never tried these before, but they're supposed to be better and stronger than regular full cover tips. To glue down these nails, I'm going to be using the same base coat that I've used in previous videos. It is my Burano base coat. This is actually my second attempt at gluing these nail tips down. It was really frustrating for some reason, so I started applying the glue to my natural nail first and then applying the tips on top. I'm not sure if this is actually the correct way to do it, but it did work out for me and it was easier for me this way.
I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? Feel my face, action. These days no for my age. Niggas be past 10. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. This life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder. There ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunning, till I can't. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunning, till I can't.
So if you've ever done your own nails and you've glued down full cover or half cover tips, you know that there's usually like a part at the tip that is like a little weird, so you have to file it off. So that's what I'm doing right here with my hand file, and I'm just moving it really slowly even though the video is fast forwarded, because I don't want to destroy, or not destroy, but ruin the almond shape that it already comes in. And then I'll continue to use my hand file to file the top of the nail to get rid of the shininess and also buff it.
A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that there is the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress on the numbers, hey, hey. Yeah, but I can see my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about.
Here I'm using my tapered drill bit and my e-file to just fix up the cuticle area a little bit.
See what's about to happen, see what's about to happen, see what's about to happen.
Whether you're applying polygel or gel polish, you should always add a layer of base coat and cure it on your nail for about 10 seconds before you proceed. So now it's time to apply the gel polish. I'm using jet black gel polish from a Beauties gel polish kit that I have, and I will be linking that below, of course, and all the gel polish colors that I use are part of that kit. Since we are using black gel polish and black just tends to be obviously a very opaque color, you need to cure it under your nail lamp for more than 30 seconds like I normally do. So I usually cure it for about 60 seconds just to be safe, because you don't want the gel polish to start lifting or peeling if it's not cured properly. And I'm also applying only one coat of this gel polish color to all of my nails. You can apply as many coats as you'd like, but just keep in mind that applying more coats means the nails get thicker.
Since love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Straight goals, let these niggas know we've already. Clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat.
So before completing the rest of my nails, I wanted to just finish the entire design on my pinky finger just because I was anxious about how it would come out looking, so I'd rather only have one nail done and not like it, so I only have one finger to clean off versus having finished all 5 and hating it. So I'm using this like silvery shimmer gel polish. It is a cat eye gel polish, so this cat eye gel polish kit that I will be linking below will also come with a magnet. So I'm applying one nice clean layer of this polish onto my nail, and then I'm going to use my magnet to manipulate the magnets that are inside of the gel polish.
Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a latex. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed.
So now I'm going in with the third color, which is a red gel polish right on top of that shimmer that we just placed to create that really pretty red velvet design. And I'm curing my gel polish after each layer. So the black layer, cure, apply the silver gel polish, use the magnet to manipulate the gel polish, cure, then apply the red on top, and then you cure again.
New cool, I'm a space cadet. Measure about 2 protects. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. On the Illuminati way. New cool, I'm a space cadet. Measure about 2 protects. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville, and I'm got that free smoke on the West Coast, yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke, she said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust, she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my break though. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fam. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This what my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved in this, very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing the section. Got a cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it, I'm passing. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making pops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini roam when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt, yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Leaving me, dripping out on me. Already got what you needed, I guess. Quickly learned yourself through me. Already gave you what you needed, I guess. Yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over text and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make.
for the final step, you use top coat and then you're done.
You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yeah. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey.
Ta-da! The nails are finished. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you really liked how these nails turned out. Let me know if you'd like to see more short nails from me. I'm definitely intrigued by these short full cover tips that I used. And I just want to thank you for sticking around, watching my videos, and please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.
Disappear.